Nag-breakfast na si Nathan, guys. Ba't 8 ya, Dar? Ano kain mo?
Banan.
Banan and?
Timapay.
And? Milk. Good so. Ang nanay naman, tamang munggos lang, guys. Ulam po namin kagabi. Hindi ako nag-vlog kahapon. Initin ko lang to. I'm so proud of my husband, guys. I-message ko siya ngayon ng bonggang-bongga. Kaya naglinis po siya ng bahay kagabi bago siya umakyat. Nauna kasi kami ni Nathan kay ano ako kahapon ba, medyo pag-uda ang buntis. Kaya naglinis po siya. Pagbaba ko, kalinis. Uy, pati kusina. Perfect husband. Kalapot ba? Lagay ko na ito dito. Dagdagan ko ng kunting tubig. Alam nyo ba, ang nilagay ko po sa aking munggo ay sayote. Kasi, ano ba, nung huli, diba, nagsinigang ako, tapos halos parehas na naman na gulay ang ilalagay ko. Di ang naisip ko, gusto ko ng ibang gulay, nilagyan ko ng sayote. Masarap po siya. Maglagay din po nga sana ako ng, ano tawag dyan? Dahon ng sili. Kay, sabi ko, parang masarap din to may dahon ng sili. Ba, tinanong ko man ang pamilya ko kung masarap din po ba yan. Kasi Daniel, nakabili naman ng pechay. Pechay na lang po ang nilagay ko. Next time, lagyan ko po ng ano yan, ng dahon ng sili. Parang masarap. Nanyo, may muta pa pala ako. Mag-ayos ako ng sarili, guys, pagtapos ko pong kumain. Ano nga yun? Hindi na ako makatulog, guys. Gusto ko na talagang magpa-ultrasound. Excited na ako na malaman ang gender ni baby. Feeling ko, kasi yan eh, yung next na ultrasound ko po is May 13. Hindi na ako makapaghintay. Isang buwan pa. Feeling ko, pag maghintay ako, lalaki siya. Pero pag ngayon na ako magpa-ultrasound, babae siya. Hindi na ako makatulog. Yan na lang iniisip ko. Pagkagising ko pares kanina, gusto ko na talagang tumawag. Kay kaso, magbayad ako ng 50 euros. Tinapay, po this for you? Okay, thank you, Belle. Ano nga yun? Magbayad po ako ng 50 euros. Yun kasing next appointment ko is 20 weeks ultrasound. Yun siya ay covered po sa aming insurance. Pero ito hindi. So, magbayad ng 50. Ano man? Gusto ko na talagang malaman. Di na ako makapaghintay, guys. As in. Okay na, mainit na, guys. In-appreciate nyo po ba ang mga mister nyo kahapon? Yesterday is the Husband's Appreciation Day. Habang nasa trabaho ba, nag-message ako kay Daniel. Yan. Tapos ang sagot niya din sa akin. Sweet no? Kahapon po yan. Nagpasalamat ako sa mister ko. Dahil perfect nga naman siya, no? May mga away naman kami mga pakunti-kunti. Pero naaayos din po namin. Mag-sing ka.
Ay, sari-sari, singkamas, at talong, at luya. Uy, po, talis ko ba? Bago content ka, maganda yan.
Tingnan nyo ang Nathan, guys, nakapayong. Trip niya lang, magpapayong. Kanina pa yan sila nagkantahan, Bahay Kubo, ako ay may lobo. Anong gising ninyo? Bahay Kubo, ako ay may lobo. Ang ulan ay puro tsokolate. O anong sarap ng ulan. Punta ka Philippines. Sino ang nandun sa Philippines? Sabihin mo.
Kuya Pio.
Kuya Pio, sino pa?
Ate Diesel.
Ate Pincel, sino pa?
Kuya Day.
Kuya Derit, sino pa? Sing ka na lang ng happy birthday kay Lola F. Kay birthday ni Lola F kahapon. Happy birthday, Lola F.
Happy birthday, Ate Diesel.
Nagre-ready po ako kay gupitan ko na ang buhok ni Nathan. Kahaba na po kasi ng buhok niya. Alam nyo ba? Hindi natin natapos ang vlog. Pang 3 araw. Di ba kay mag-vlog ako nung 1 araw. Hindi natapos. Tapos kahapon, pumunta ako kanila Maricel na mapapanood nyo po bukas. yun ang natapos. So, ngayon tapusin natin yung sinimulan natin, okay? So, sa vlog po natin bukas, hindi pa nagupitan ang Nathan. Meron siyang pamax. Kaya wala akong lollipop, guys. Upo dito kayo magkatay ng hair. Ikuan lang ha. Saan mo na? Wow, lekker. Upo daw, upo. Dali. Magkatay ng hair. Dali na. Dito lang, dito. Para hindi mapunta sa ano niya, sa leeg niya. Yasyaan. Kapangit ng pagkagupit sa kanya sa Pinas ba? Hindi ko type. Ibang gunting kasi yung ginamit. Hindi ko gusto yung gunting, yung pang slash-slash na gunting. Sa inang buhay natin. Is that letter? Dahan-dahan lang din. Di ba tayo na tapos, ubus na yung candy mo. Ako lang ikaw ha. Magkatay ng hair. Next, sinit. Oh, and eh. Wow, hair food. Ito din. Apple is red. Wow. Apple is red.
Can be used to make lots of nice things, like ornaments, tables, and you have them with dessert, like cupcakes or pies.
Ay na, this is mine. That is mine.
Now I bet you
Coconut.
this fruit.
Tapi ako ko nang kakita na ba? Coconut.
Lemons grow on trees.
Lemon?
And pears.
Pwede ba lemon
They're
is?
called evergreens and produce fruit all year. Oh, you like lemon?
Yeah, that's acorn.
We make lemonade by squeezing
The
out
sprout. Lemon is the sprout.
as a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great, because you can eat lots of them before you get full. You can help friends and paint beautiful pictures. And just like other berries,
Real food, right? Heart? Wow! That's a heart. Oval. Also.
that's right. There. Our last
Rectangle.
stretched out square. Let's build a rectangle out of blocks. Rectangle. Thanks so much for your help, Mr. Train, and
Ano sabihin?
happening. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll
Thank
see
you,
you
Mama. Yeah. Maraming har, oh. Tingnan mo ang har mo. Ew, medaya siya. Wow, kaganda naman ng new hair ng Bebe Love na yan. Ganda. Wow, kaganda naman talaga. Say hi, Kabi. Hi. Anong kinakain ni Nathan? Draufan, kutso. Po tayo makalabas ng bahay. Uy, umuulan na naman, oh. Pero parang mamaya hindi na uulan. Update po sa ating pag-grass. Look at that, everyone. Ano na po siya, medyo... Ano yan, oh, medyo nag-ano na po siya, no? Humaba na. Bakit bitbitin kasi? Pwede ka man magbalik doon. What do you now? Si Daniel, pauwi na po yun. Bumili lang ng pang-dinner namin. Nagbalik na naman. Knit of the crust, thank you, Belle. Gusto. Tingnan nyo tong aking pasili dito, oh. Kadami ng pula. 4 na sila, guys. Sarap to pang Bicol Express ba? Mahaba na talaga siya. Oh, humaba siya, guys, in fairness. Yung ating grass. Wow! Say hi! Say hi, Nathan! Chut-chut! Hala ka, pahirapan mo ang sarili mo. Ayaw niya talagang umikot. Tinuruan ko na siya. Sige. Oh. Duy, duy. Yeah? Tingnan nyo ang aking pa-background dito habang magluluto. Kadumi. Kita pa mga kadamakan natin, oh. Duy, duy. Flying kiss pa, flying kiss. Pahirapan. Flying kiss din siya, oh. Flying kiss, flying kiss. Thank you. Hello. Hello. Saan ka galing? Nagpunta ka sa stop? Was siya in the stop? Yeah? Duy. Flying kiss. Mwah.
Hi.
Hi. Prepare na po ako ng aking mga pag-garlic. May tumubo sa akin dito po. Mag-garlic chicken po ako tonight. Yan po ang aming ulam. Garlic chicken tsaka salad. Pero magsaing pa din po ako po. Ipangat ko na lang din to. Kaya para pang ulam bukas. Tsaka baka gusto din po ni Nathan. Silang dalawa ni Sushi doon sa garden. Huwag kayong mag-away ha. Huwag kayong magsuntukan dyan. Papa is here! Oh, Larson out! Oh, where's Papa now? Papa is talking with Dar?
Yeah!
How are you? Yeah, I cut his hair. And you later.
Yay!
You want me to cut your hair today?
Yay!
Tagal niya nag-request sa akin ba? Kapitan ko na daw siya. Me too, ha? Me too. I want the tuha like that, ha? Mama, mama, mama.
Mama willow.
Yay! Mahal!
My back, bro, my back! My back!
Grabe naman. Sige na ba? You do that, Bea. You do that, Bea, to me before tomorrow.
Boodschappen voor mama.
Boodschappen van. Dankjewel.
Dankjewel. En we hebben meer. Kom maar. Meer. Water is not nice, mama.
Oh? Not good. Dankjewel. They already so mahal. Show them.
Yeah.
Because he cooked daw. What did you cook? Nag-white wine
I
to.
made this.
So you need to drink the white wine.
We could talk, man. If you cook, you need to drink wine.
Sabi niya pa, I'm cooking, mahal. I need to get the white wine, mahal. I'm so in love my new air fryer, guys. Tingnan nyo naman, kadaming malagay. Yummy chicken. Who are you calling? Tinatawagan niya si Itay. Why are they not answering? And then they're calling us. Maybe because of the... Huy! Huy! Anak niya. Si Mamang daw. Maybe it's because of the Wi-Fi, my love. Ha? Grabe talaga yung super actor, mahal ba? You can cry just like that. Perdita daw, Papa.
Papa is blind.
Why they not answering? Tapos, they're calling.
Tapos! Why you not answering? Anulfo! Tapos! Oh!
Sa cellphone niya na tinatawagan.
Wow.
Stop it, mahal. Tomorrow na lang. Maybe the phone of Arnold is broken. Si Mamang din hindi nagre-ring. Matawag naman sila, miss ko lang nakalagay. Hindi mag-ring ang phone ko. Maybe the Facebook is broken na naman. Tapos sira na naman ng Facebook. Luto na everyone. Look at the chicken. Ang ating garlic parmesan. Garlic parmesan chicken. You see that? Easy and yummy. Wow. Gusto na natin to. Parmesan cheese. Enjoy, ha?
Smakelijk. Oh, salad. Salamat. Thank you so much for cooking this nice meal, my love.
Yummy. Chicken off natin. Teka. Teka.
Oh.
Tinatan may rice. Saka salad and chicken. Nakita niya ako nagkamay. Yun, kamay din.
Yum.
Super yummy.
Chicken parm.
You miss this? The last time I made this was when JC and Derich was here. Very pharmacy, mahal. Pharmacy. Very parmesan.
We will get that again.
What?
In the super cheap IKEA chair, dah.
Pinag-uusapan namin ng baby ba? Uy, pag-siyempre, Data never did that ba?
No, Nata did not.
Pinag-usapan namin ba? Kasi itong upuan niya, yung bigay po ni Tita Elise, hinahanap ko ang strap. Feeling ko nasa taas po. Ngayon, pag-usapan namin, sabi ko, nabilhan na namin ng IKEA chair. Naisip ko ba, you know what I'm thinking now? With Nathan, everything is new, brand new. We wanted I wanted brand new.
Yeah, you wanted brand
Yeah,
new.
the bread, the cabinet, but with the second child mahal, with the third child mahal. We got the 50 euros, what's that, crib? And then we're buying IKEA bed. No?
I'm full.
Pag first baby, kay grabe ka OA, mga ganyan. Pag second baby, mag-practical na. Mahal, but we promise ba guys na wala talaga kaming
We promise what?
that we are not doing the favoritism with our children ba?
No, but
But now we are doing.
That is not favoritism, mahal.
What?
That is just being realistic.
Yeah.
Baby stuff is expensive.
Yeah, baby stuff is expensive man, good
Can you help me wash his hands?
No, mahal. Uy, I remember, mahal, the crib of Nathan, everything, the cabinet, Vika bought that, uy. We did not buy anything. And also this one, from
so
our
what
sister.
you're saying?
Yeah, there's
What you're
no.
saying
Ah.
is that Vika is showing favoritism.
Wala ba kami masalong binili nun, mga damit lang po. Pero ngayon, paubos naman ang pera dahil sa pag-garden pa talaga natin. Hindi natin mag-arte-arte, mga second hand na, habang nalilinis ng pinggan, Wow! Team song namin ni Daniel. It's always better when we're together. Yeah, we're done. Team song namin yan, guys.
Yes, better when we're together.
Hey, kiss off! Mama, kiss!
R-A-G-G-M-O-P-P.
Rock my papa as I can take makan for you.
Yeah?
Rock my papa. Sino? Huh?
Today.
What is that? What big Nathan? Ante. Decor. Inom siya ng kanyang tea. Wala po yung caffeine. Ano yan? Yung rooibos. Honey with what, mahal? Just honey?
Rooibos honey flavor.
My love, let's cut your hair, mahal. You want me to cut your hair or not?
I do.
Mm.
So we're not going out?
No, we're not going out.
Okay.
Nagbihis pa naman ako kaya akala ko maglabas kami. It's Thursday today. Maglabas sana kami ba? Pagod man kalamig sa labas. Linis pa ako ng kusina. Sana naman ang pine. May nag-message pala, Inday Garnet, asa na ang TV mo? Andyan pa rin siya, still alive and kicking, guys. Hindi niya na daw nakita. Pag sure, hindi yan nawala na ba daw? Hindi yan mawala yan, guys. Diyan na yan siya, forever. Gupitan ko na si Daniel, guys. Ang reklamador ko na customer.
Yes, the guy did not even have his cup of tea yet after dinner.
Super reklamador this customer.
I did not reklamador any at all last
Not
time.
yet. Aha, you did.
No, I did not.
You did.
I did not.
I'm sure.
No, I did not do that the last time.
Today, Nathan was super good. I hope you are too. May second customer.
No, it doesn't work if you don't power it on.
Are you ready?
Ready na tayo!
Hi! Mag-cut si Mama ng hair ni Papa. Ay, naku. Kalapan pa ang buhay ko.
Lollipop? Lollipop?
Sabi ko pa kanina ba, mag-cut ng hair si
lollipop.
Daniel. Sabi agad ni Daniel, lollipop? Mag-lollipop daw ang tatay niya.
Chocolate ink? Mama, chocolate ink?
Where is our spray, Mang Buboy? Let's buy a new spray.
I like this. This feels nice.
Sa mga customer. Uy, what will you pay me tonight? Sure lang ha, that this is paid ha, with happy ending ha. Si Nathan, hindi ko pa rin po siya ginagamitan nung razor. Is that razor, mahal? You call it razor?
This is scissors.
No, I mean the other one ba?
The knife is a razor.
Yeah. Kasi, baka takot pa rin
You
po
use the
siya.
razor on that?
No, I did not. Because maybe he's still afraid of that. Next time I will try.
I don't know, maybe he's too young for that one.
Yeah.
What does baktarang mean?
Like behave or fix yourself.
And baktuyo?
Behave.
And lugay ka?
You're so lugay. Kapuyag!
No, I was saying that to make fun of you. Mahal, I have a question. Pull my finger.
I don't want. Ben.
No, I won't.
Kanina po yung sa utot ng utot.
Joking ba?
Pati
Joking.
si Nathan, dinadamay.
Joke lang, joke. If you're mad at me, Mahal, will you then not say anything and then just cut like half my head bald when you're cutting my hair?
I'm afraid you'll do that to me. As I won't.
Hey, sexy lady.
Ooh, side view, side view, side view. Ooh, and then you will, and then you will, you will shave, ha? I just cut your hair.
Fine, let me go now. I'm hurting my lubot. Thank you for cutting my hair. Whee!
Okay pa kayo dyan, guys? Okay pa man daw sila. Ang kulirang ina. Wow. Okay na mga customer ko, guys. Masaya naman po sila sa gupit ko, no? Naglinis na lang ako dito kay grabe ang butilan yan. Ang damit ko, puro buhok. At yung ating kusina. Wow! Wow! Okay na siya. Agoy! Why you cannot see your... You cannot find your shirts? You cannot find it.
This.
That's for going out, mahal, and it's small now.
And it's hard. It's hard here. And
Maybe I put it accidentally in the... What is that? In the dryer? Show us your hair, babe. Wow. I'll get you a new shirt. Or do you want that?
No, because we're going to bed soon anyway.
Yeah.
Mahal, it's not only my shirt that shrank.
Hmm.
My socks shrank too.
2, 3, go!
Okay. Oh, bye.
Ayusin mo. Gusto niya hawakan ng camera. Wait lang. Mag-vlog ka. Ayusin mo dito. Ganyan. Yan. Sige. Hawakan mo ang camera. Sige. So, guys. Sige na.
Okay, sige.
Nahilo na yung mga kausap mo dyan. Ayusin mo ganyan. So, guys.
Okay, sige. Oh, bye.
Papa Og. You need to hold the camera. So, guys.
So guys,